Hello and welcome back to Speak English channel.
Hi, everyone. We are very, very happy you are here with us today.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Hull. We make videos and podcasts to help you speak English every single day.
If you enjoy our lessons, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means so much to us.
It's great to be with you today, Emily. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good, Paul. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm feeling great too. I did something nice this morning.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I woke up early and I did not check my phone right away.
That's good.
Instead, I made myself a cup of tea. Then I just sat by the window for 10 minutes. I sat quietly and breathed slowly.
That sounds so peaceful and relaxing.
It was a very calm way to start the day. And that is exactly what we are talking about today.
Yes, today we are talking about your daily routine. Your daily routine is all the things you do every day. You do them so often you don't even think about them.
It starts in the morning when you open your eyes, and it ends at night when you go to sleep. Every small action is a part of your routine. Every habit is important.
And here's the amazing thing. Your daily routine can be one of your best English teachers.
It's true. When you talk about your own life, English becomes easier. You don't need to translate in your head. You don't need to search for difficult words. You just speak naturally.
You talk about your breakfast, your coffee, your walk to work, your evening at home. This is your life, and you know your life better than anyone.
Today, we will help you describe your whole day in English. We will go step by step with simple, clear sentences you can use today.
And the best part? You don't need a textbook. You just need to notice what you already do. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's start at the very beginning, the morning. Some people love mornings. Some people don't.
I love mornings. I enjoy the quiet feeling, like the whole day is in front of me.
I didn't always like mornings, but I learned something. How you start your morning can change your whole day.
That is so true. So, what's the first thing you do? You wake up. We say, I wake up, not I wake. I wake up.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up early on weekdays. I don't like to wake up late. When I wake up late, I feel rushed.
After you wake up, what next? Sometimes I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Me too. I lie in bed and think about my day. I stretch, I yawn. These are small actions, but they are part of your routine. We talk about them in English.
Then finally, you get out of bed. I get out of bed. And then you go to the bathroom.
Yes. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face.
I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. It makes me feel fresh and alert.
That's a great sentence. It explains why you do something. After that, many people take a shower.
Yes, we say I take a shower. I take a quick shower in the morning. I take a long shower when I have time.
After the shower, you get dressed. Getting dressed means you put on your clothes. I get dressed for work. I get dressed quickly when I'm in a hurry.
Then comes one of my favorite parts, breakfast.
I love breakfast. We say I have breakfast or I eat breakfast. Both are correct. I have breakfast at 7:30. I usually eat toast and eggs.
Speaking of drinks, do you say I make coffee or I prepare coffee?
Both are okay, but I make coffee is more common. I make a cup of coffee every morning. I can't start my day without it.
Now you're awake, clean, dressed, and fed. What next? If you work or study, you leave the house.
I leave the house at 8 o'clock. How do you get to work, Emily?
I drive to work. Sometimes I take the bus. Other people walk to school or ride a bike. These are very useful sentences.
The bus ride takes 30 minutes. I usually drive for 20 minutes. During your commute, you can do many things. I listen to music on the bus. I listen to a podcast while I drive.
If you listen to us on your way to work, you are already practicing English. Well done.
Then you arrive at work or school. I arrive at work at 8:30. I check my emails, I read my messages, I reply to the important ones.
If you have meetings, you can say, I have a meeting at 9, or I attend a meeting with my team.
Now let's talk about lunchtime. I have lunch at noon. I usually eat lunch at 12:30.
I eat lunch with my coworkers. Sometimes I bring my lunch from home. I make a sandwich the night before.
What do you usually eat for lunch, Emily?
I usually eat a salad or a sandwich. I like light food. If I eat too much, I feel sleepy.
Many people feel sleepy after lunch. After lunch, I take a short break. I walk around the office. I take a break is a very useful phrase.
Then the afternoon continues. I work until 5 o'clock. In the afternoon, I answer emails, I make phone calls, I write reports. These are common work activities.
And finally, the workday ends. I usually finish work at 5:30. After work, I leave the office and go home.
The evening begins. For me, evening is when I relax. I close the door, I take off my shoes, I take a deep breath.
I take off my shoes too. I change into comfortable clothes. I sit down and relax.
Then it's dinner time. I make dinner in the evening. I cook dinner at home. I prepare dinner for my family.
All these sentences mean the same thing. I cook pasta for dinner. Sometimes I am too tired to cook, so I order takeout or order delivery.
After dinner, I wash the dishes, I clean the kitchen. Then the rest of the evening is free time. What do you like to do, Paul?
I like to read in the evening. I read a book before bed, or I watch a TV show. I spend time with my family. We talk about our day.
Some people exercise in the evening. I go for a walk after dinner, or I do yoga.
Later, it's time to get ready for bed. This means doing small things. I take a shower, brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into my pajamas.
I set my alarm for the next morning. Very important. I set my alarm for 6:30.
Finally, I go to bed. I go to bed at 10. Then I fall asleep. We say I fall asleep. It takes me about 10 minutes to fall asleep.
And then the next morning, everything starts again. Every day is a cycle.
Now let's tell a full story of one day. This will help you hear everything together. Emily, will you describe your typical day?
Of course. Please listen and imagine the day. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. Next, I take a quick shower. After the shower, I get dressed. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I eat toast and drink coffee. At 8, I leave the house. I take the bus to work. The bus ride takes 25 minutes. I listen to a podcast. I arrive at work at 8:30. I check my emails and start my workday. At 12:30, I take a lunch break. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I work until 5. Then I finish work, pack my bag, and leave the office. I take the bus home. I arrive home around 5:30. I take off my shoes and change into comfortable clothes. I relax for a few minutes. Then I make dinner. I eat dinner at the table. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. In my free time, I read a book or watch a movie. Before bed, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and put on my pajamas. I set my alarm for 7. I go to bed around 10:30 and fall asleep.
Wow, Emily, that was perfect. You used simple, clear English. Now I'll describe my day. Everyone, try to repeat quietly after me. This is called shadowing. Just follow my voice. I wake up at 6:30. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a long shower. After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I eat oatmeal and drink coffee. At 7:30, I leave the house. I drive to work. I arrive at work at 8. I check my emails and plan my day. At noon, I take a lunch break. I eat a sandwich. In the afternoon, I work until 4:30. Then I drive home. I arrive home at 5. I change into comfortable clothes and relax. At 6, I make dinner. After, I clean the kitchen. In the evening, I read or call my family. Before bed, I take a shower and brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10 and fall asleep.
Excellent. Now it's your turn, everyone. Try to describe your own day. Start simple. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work. 3 sentences are enough.
Here's a strong tip. Write it first. Write your day in a notebook or on your phone. Then read it out loud. This connects your brain and your voice.
You can even record yourself on your phone. Speak for 1 minute. Listen to it. Don't be shy. After a week, record again and hear your improvement.
Now let's share some quick learning tips. Tip 1. Use time words. They make your story clear. Use first, then, next, after that, finally. First I wake up, then I brush my teeth, next I eat breakfast.
Tip 2, talk about feelings. It makes your story real. I feel tired in the morning. After coffee, I feel better.
Tip 3. Practice every day. Just 5 minutes. Talk about your morning while you eat breakfast. Make English part of your life.
Tip 4, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. You are learning. Just keep speaking.
Tip 5. Be patient. You will not be fluent tomorrow, but every day you get a little better. Every sentence is important. One day you will think, wow, I can do this, and you will be right.
We've talked about morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We shared useful phrases and tips. Now, your life is your best English teacher.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the Speak English channel and give this video a like.
Our question for you, please write 1 sentence in the comments. Tell us one thing you do every morning. For example, I drink coffee every morning. We read every comment.
Thank you for your time and effort. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Your English is getting better every day.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.